Good morning, my dear children. We are doing lesson number 8, Who is Heavier? In the last class, we have already completed our textbook. Today, let us start with our workbook. So, all of you please take out your workbook as well as pencil with you and take page number 73. Lesson number 8, Who is Heavier? Okay. Who is heavier? Guess which one thing require bigger bag. So here we have to find out which item require bigger bag. While learning our textbook, we have learned this, that is the thing which is lighter require a bigger bag and the thing which is heavier require a small bag. Okay, depending upon the weight of the items. So the bag which we use to carry the item will depend upon the weight of the item. Here some of the things are given. See, first one, 1 kilogram cotton or 1 kilogram rice. We have to find out which require a bigger bag, whether 1 kilogram cotton or 1 kilogram rice require the bigger bag to pack. Here you can see that both are 1 kilogram. Cotton is also 1 kilogram as well as rice is also 1 kilogram. That means the quantity is same. But can you pack both the items in same type of bag? No. Why? Because the cotton is lighter than rice. So cotton requires a big bag or a big sack for packing, while a 1 kilogram rice can be packed in a small polythene bag or small bag. Okay, so cotton is lighter than rice, even though the quantity is same, that is 1 kilogram, both are 1 kilogram, but the weight of the cotton is lighter than that of the rice. So we need a bigger bag for 1 kilogram cotton. So write the answer here. 1 kilogram cotton requires a bigger bag. Next one, see, 1 kilogram peas or 1 kilogram tomato, which require a bigger bag. You know that peas is lighter than that of tomatoes. If you purchase 1 kilogram tomatoes, you will get maximum of 15 tomatoes, medium sized tomato. But 1 kilogram peas, it will be more. And the peas is lighter than that of tomato. Even though quantity is same, the weight of peas is more than that of tomato. So peas requires a bigger bag. So write here 1 kilogram peas. Next one, 1 kilogram popcorn or 1 kilogram paneer. You know popcorn very well, and you know paneer also very well. Popcorn, you know, it is very light. Popcorn is very light. So which will require a bigger bag? Normally popcorn will require a bigger bag, because 1 kilogram paneer is heavier than that of the item. Paneer is heavier than popcorn, but the quantity is same, but popcorn need a bigger bag to pack. Then 1 kilogram iron or 1 kilogram potato. Here iron is heavier and potato is lighter, so potato needs a bigger bag. Next one, 1 kilogram leafy vegetables or 1 kilogram cabbage. Leafy vegetables means spinach, lettuce, coriander leaves, like that. So which needs a bigger bag, cabbage or leafy vegetables? Usually leafy vegetables needs a bigger bag because it is lighter than cabbage. Okay, so write these answers in your textbook in the column provided. Next one, tick the correct thing or object which have more weight. Here two different things are given for combining, and you have to combine it and find out which thing is having more weight. Let us start with the first one. You can see a pumpkin here as well as a tomato. Which you would think will be heavier, a pumpkin or a tomato? From the size itself you can understand that pumpkin is heavier. One pumpkin will be about 3 to 4 kilogram. A tomato is a small thing, it will be 100 gram, 200 gram or something maximum. Okay, so pumpkin is heavier. So put a tick mark on pumpkin. Next one, a pencil as well as a bat is given. You know, you play with the bat and you write with the pencil. Which is heavier, bat or pencil? Which you think is heavier? Bat is heavier. So put a tick mark over here. Next one, banana and balloon. Which is heavier, banana or a small balloon? Banana is heavier than that of a balloon. Next one, a tomato and a football. You play with football. Which do you think is heavier, a tomato or a football? Football is heavier. So put a tick mark on football. Okay. Now moving on to the next page. Color red to those things which weighs more than 1 kilogram and blue color to those objects weighing less than 1 kilogram. Here are given some of the things which are having weight more than 1 kilogram and some things which have weight less than 1 kilogram. What you have to do is you have to color the objects which is more than 1 kilogram, and which color you have to give? You have to give red color to those objects. And the things which are having less than 1 kilogram, you have to give blue color. First one, you can see a cake here. The cake, the shopkeeper will make cake according to our desire, or we will give the quantity. We will order him, you have to prepare 500 gram cake or 1 kilogram cake or 2 kilogram cake. Okay, depending upon that the weight of the cake differs. But you can see here this one is a big cake, little bit big. The height is very big. See, 1, 2, 3 layers are there. So it will be, consider that it will be more than 1 kilogram, and you can color it red color. Next one, an ice cream. Ice cream is less than 1 kilogram. So what you have to do? You can give blue color to the ice cream. Likewise, you have to guess the weight of all the things and color it accordingly. That is, the things which are having more than 1 kilogram, like this chair is having more than 1 kilogram, you can color it red. And the things which is having less than 1 kilogram, like this pen, mobile, etc., can give blue color. Okay, take the help of your parents, guess the weight of the things and color it accordingly. This you have to do as homework for today. Okay, now guess the correct amount. Here Sriya wants to prepare a dish, but however she is confused while matching the things with their correct amount. Help her in matching. So here Sriya is preparing a dish. What you have to do is we have to match the items with the correct quantity, correct amount of the things. She is confused with the quantity. She don't know which all things to be taken in proper quantity, how much rice to be taken, how much pulses, she don't know. So what we have to do, we have to help her in matching the correct amount of things. Okay, so starting from the rice. From the item given here, she is going to prepare a khichdi or a pulav. So let us see what all things are there. First one is rice. So how much rice is needed? Usually the quantity of rice will be more. So the quantity of rice will be 1 kilogram. So we have to match this rice with option 4, that is 1 kilogram. Do a matching from here to here. Okay. Next one, pulses. Pulses, how much you have to take? You must take half kilogram of pulses. So match pulses to half kilogram. Then salt. Usually 1 tablespoon of salt is enough for preparing 1 kilogram of rice. So 1 spoon. Answer is 1 spoon match to option 1 spoon. Next one is turmeric powder. Usually a little amount of turmeric powder is used while preparing the dish. So what you have to match? You have to match to a pinch of turmeric powder given here. So turmeric powder, how much she should use? She should use a pinch of turmeric powder. Then curry leaves. Curry leaves, only twigs. 1 or 2 twigs is needed. See here, twigs of curry leaves. Twigs of, you know what is twigs of curry leaves. Okay. Then water. Water we will measure using glass, cups, etc. Here glass or cup which is given here. You can see here cups given. So how much water is needed? Only 2 cups of water is needed. Then next one is onion. So while preparing a dish, we will take the quantity of onions as number. 1 onion, 2 onion, 3 onion, like that. So for preparing this, how many onions are needed? Only 2 onions are needed. Next item given here is piece. We cannot count the piece, 1 piece, 2 piece, like that. We will take it in the measurement of a cup or bowl, like that. So here one bowl is given, that is you have to take, otherwise Shriya have to take 1 bowl of peas to make the dish. Okay, so you have to match this properly. I have given the answers here, written the answers here. You can match this properly towards here or write like this, write the answers like this. So we helped Shriya for making the dish. Same type of question we have done in the textbook also. There Vandana is preparing the khichdi. Okay, so the next page is double the weights that we can do in our next class. Let us wind up the session for today. Thank you.